Okay, over in this blue pot, we've got pumpkin, we got watermelon, cantaloupe, bell peppers, tomatoes, acorn squash, cabbage, banana peppers, don't ask me which one's which, because I don't know. I ain't looking on the cup, so I don't know. But all this needs to be planted after the 12th of the month in May, because we're afraid of frost again. Okay, this is Christmas cactus. It blooms little pink things on it. Aloe plant. Aloe plant. Okay, we got a yellow rose. Got 2 azalea bushes. Got a lemon tree right there. A fig tree right there. Hydrangeas up here. Basil. Many flowers we have to plant. Many. And then we got a raspberry and a blackberry bush. We got hot peppers and bell peppers there. And banana peppers down there. Here's what it all looks like. We got plenty to plant. Just ain't had time to plant it. And plus, all it does is rain here. So, how can you do that? We planted tulips down there. We just bought them this year. Here's a better look at our fig tree. Here's a better look at the lemon tree. On the fence, there's daffodils behind and peas. There's our rose bush, our little trees, and there's all of our rose bushes we planted last year, except one is a new one, and it's a yellow one. You all watched us plant them. In this bed, there's radishes, carrots, onions, and lettuce that ain't came up yet. Oh, on the porch we also got zucchini, 2 plants I think of zucchini. There's our kale, it's a bolting right now. So we're going to pull that up and transplant some more. Here's our strawberry bed. Y'all have seen that from last year. We've had that for about 3 years now. We started off with 1 plant, and they had babies, and now look how big they got. Here's our rose bush. There's our rose bush, and you've seen them before. Our garden spot is empty right now. Pretty flowers. Look at these pretty flowers. Don't they look good? Oregano. 2 different kind of oregano. Okay, on this table we got green onions, thyme, chives, basil, and thyme. Celery, dill, rhubarb, green peppers coming up, bell peppers, carrots that I transferred to this from the kitchen when I cut the top off. Here's chives from last year. They're still growing. And there's more chives coming up in it. This is parsley, strawberry bed, and rhubarb. This was oregano from last year. It's coming back. Rose bush. Roses. And lilies. And a big iris. It's yellow. Rose bush. Anthea. It blooms pink. We bought that last year and planted it. Rose bush. We got these in Tennessee about 3 years ago. Climbing rose. Got roses on this one. Got them all over it. Little bitty ones. Hope you can see them. Okay, Ronnie's got to spray this because this red right here, this red rose right here, has got fire ants eating it up, and they're eating the tops of my roses off. And this is a yellow lily, daylily. And here's another rose bush. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. And this is another beginning of garden tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.